Will boiling my polyester damage the fabric or affect its quality?
Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we're addressing a question many of you might have: will boiling my polyester fabric damage it or affect its quality? We'll go through the characteristics of polyester, the effects of high temperature, and finally, provide some safer alternatives for cleaning this type of fabric. So let's get started.
What is polyester?
First off, it's important to understand what polyester is. Polyester is a type of synthetic fabric that is popular for its strength, resilience, and durability. It's used in a variety of applications, from clothing to home furnishings. Polyester is loved for its wrinkle resistance, quick drying abilities, and its resistance to mildew and abrasion.
How does heat affect polyester?
Moving on, let's discuss how heat affects polyester. Polyester doesn't handle extreme heat well. High temperatures can cause the fabric to melt or shrink because polyester is made of plastic fibers, more specifically, polyethylene terephthalate. Boiling water typically reaches a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is far beyond the heat threshold polyester can safely withstand. In fact, the recommended ironing temperature for polyester is usually up to 148 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's not even in direct contact. Therefore, boiling polyester is not a good idea. It can potentially damage the fabric, alter its shape, and affect its quality.
Safer alternatives for cleaning polyester.
Now that we've established that boiling isn't a great method for cleaning polyester, let's talk about some safer alternatives. Polyester is machine washable, and it's usually safe to wash at warm or cold settings. Using a gentle detergent will help maintain the fabric's condition. If the polyester item is delicate or it's recommended by the manufacturer, you may want to hand wash it instead. When drying polyester, air drying or tumble drying on a low setting is preferred to prevent potential heat damage. So, to answer the original question, yes, boiling your polyester can damage the fabric and affect its quality. It's always best to stick to safer, lower heat methods of cleaning to preserve the lifespan and appearance of your polyester items. I hope this video has been helpful in clearing up this topic. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to treat your polyester with care.